If you're seeing SketchUp Error 42 when importing a CAD file, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you the quickest way to fix it step by step. This usually happens when the DWG file is too new, too complex, or contains objects SketchUp can't read properly. The good news is that you can usually solve it by cleaning up the file and saving it in a more compatible format. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more practical software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is open the CAD file in AutoCAD or in another CAD program if that's what you have available. Once the file is open, the goal is to resave it in a lower, more compatible version. SketchUp can often struggle with newer DWG formats, so saving it as something like AutoCAD 2010 or AutoCAD 2013 DWG can make a big difference. To do this, go to Save As, choose the older DWG version, and save a fresh copy of the file instead of using the original. If you don't have AutoCAD, you still have options. You can use free tools like LibreCAD or AutoCAD TrueView to convert the file into an older format. These tools are especially useful if you just need to make the file more SketchUp friendly without paying for a full CAD subscription. Open the file in the converter, look for the option to export or save as an older DWG version, and then create the converted copy from there. Next, before importing into SketchUp, go back into the CAD file and simplify it as much as possible. One of the biggest causes of import issues is overly complex CAD content. Things like blocks, hatches, and parametric objects can sometimes confuse SketchUp, so you'll want to explode them into simpler geometry. That means turning them into basic lines, arcs, and circles that SketchUp can better understand. In AutoCAD, you can use the explode command to break those objects down. If the file has too many layers of complexity, this step alone can fix a lot of import problems. After that, it's time to clean the file. In AutoCAD, run the PURGE command to remove unused elements, styles, and other unnecessary data. Then use the OVERKILL command to get rid of duplicate or overlapping lines. This is important because messy geometry can cause errors during import and can also make the file heavier than it needs to be. A cleaner file imports more smoothly, performs better, and is much less likely to trigger SketchUp Error 42. Once the file is cleaned and saved in an older format, you're ready to bring it into SketchUp. But before you click import, make sure you check the units carefully. If the original CAD file was created in meters, millimeters, inches, or feet, your SketchUp import settings need to match that scale. A unit mismatch can make the model appear the wrong size or make the import behave unpredictably, so when you select the file in SketchUp, double-check the unit scale and make sure it matches the source drawing exactly. If the file still gives you trouble, go back and remove even more complexity. Sometimes the best fix is to strip the drawing down to only the geometry you actually need. Delete unnecessary annotations, title blocks, extra layouts, and anything else that doesn't need to come into SketchUp. The simpler the DWG file is, the better your chances of a clean import. So to recap, the best way to fix SketchUp Error 42 is to save the CAD file in an older DWG version, use free conversion tools if needed, explode complex objects into basic geometry, purge and clean the file with PURGE and OVERKILL, and make sure your units match when importing into SketchUp. That workflow solves a lot of import issues and saves you from wasting time on failed attempts. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like and subscribe for more SketchUp and CAD troubleshooting videos. And if you want, I can also make a follow-up video showing the best SketchUp import settings for DWG and DXF files. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.